Hello and welcome to Bliss Music Academy. Today we are going to be looking at riffs and runs for beginners. In this quick tutorial today, we will also be looking at a short riff from Ariana Grande's song Bang Bang. So what we'll do is deconstruct it, we'll have a look at that later, and we will be able to sing it through and hopefully learn it by the end of this tutorial. So first off, let's have a look at what a riff is. So a riff is a series of notes sung very quickly. They blend in with the music and they also support the music. I like to think of riffs as a decoration on a Christmas tree. So the Christmas tree is the main line, so the melody of the song, and the riffs are the decorations that go on top. So you have one main line of melody and you have little embellishments. So without the riffs, we would have a line from Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas. I don't want a lot for Christmas. That is the Christmas tree without the decoration. Now let's add a riff. I don't want a lot for Christmas. So those two little sections I embellished, so I added some decoration onto, and that is what a riff is. First off, let's start with a quick exercise to get our voice going. So riffs are all about agility, and that is your voice moving very fast around those notes. So we're going to do little runs as an exercise. So I'm going to demonstrate first and then you can join in with me. We're going to do it on a yeah. And yeah. Lovely. Let's make that a little bit faster. So let's change from ah to e to oo. We'll have some different nice open vowels. So let's do this one. I'm not going to play the riff this time. I'm just going to run through it on my voice. What we want is that you imagine these to be like a Catherine wheel. So there's fireworks that go woo, woo, woo all the way around. So they're like a wheel and they don't stop moving. So let's try this one. So we have ooh. Lovely, so I was alternating there, and you can do the same if you would like to with your voice. So give that exercise a practice, and I promise you it will get your voice moving faster and faster. Lastly, we're going to have a look at Ariana Grande's Bang Bang and the riff from that I chose. So I found this in a live performance, in a recorded live performance of hers, and I really liked the riff. I thought it was beautiful, and it's also simple when you break it down, but it sounds great. So let's have a look at it now. I'm going to play it nice and slow and you can sing along with me, and then eventually we're going to bring it up to speed. So we're going to sing, oh yeah, baby. So that's the riff. Might sound very boring when I sing it now, but in the song it sounds really, really good. So we're going to sing it up to speed for you. Oh yeah, baby. So these riffs are just little runs in here. And that's at the end of a phrase. So a really useful tool for working out a riff is just to break it down. Ask your singing teacher, ask someone who plays piano, or work it out yourself. And you can find the notes and play it nice and slow until you can get it up to speed. So we have, oh yeah, baby. So sing that with me. 1, 2, 3, and oh yeah, baby. Let's break it up into smaller sections. The first bit we have, oh, sing that with me, oh. We're going to repeat it and get faster and faster. Let's go. Oh, 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 oh. Very nice. Let's have a look at the next little section. Let's do it nice and slow. Yeah. that together. Yeah, that's what we call a run. So these are notes that step all the way down. Yeah, yeah. Let's do it all together. We're going to slowly build it up a bit faster like we just did with the previous one. Yeah, 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 yeah. Very good. Let's add it to the first one. Nice and slow. And oh yeah. And again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now let's get it a little bit faster. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good. That one's a difficult one to do. Then let's add on the last bit. Oh yeah, baby. Really, really nice. Okay, let's add that whole thing up together. Oh yeah, baby. 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 Really nice. So keep practicing that at home, keep working that in together, and hopefully it should get faster and you will get much better at riffs. Well done, and thank you for joining me today.